Bukas na lang yung camera niyo, guys.
Good day, everyone. This case discusses strategic drug... Ay, ulit, wait lang. Good day, everyone. This case discusses strategic drug pricing in the pharmaceutical industry, focusing on how companies balance profit-driven innovation and access to essential medicines. Our group's position is clear. Profit sustains innovation, but access to life-saving drugs is a moral responsibility that should not be compromised.
Brand name drugs are expensive because they reflect high R&D costs, clinical trials, and regulatory approvals. These costs are protected by patents, allowing companies to charge premium prices. Once patents expire, generic drugs enter the market, offering the same therapeutic benefits at much lower prices. Generic entry typically reduces prices by 30 to 80%, which significantly improves.
During pricing follows a lifetime pattern. During patent protection, companies charge higher prices to recover massive investment and fund future innovation. After expiration, generic competition drives prices down, benefiting patients while maintaining market balance. This pricing strategy is dynamic, not arbitrary, and reflects rational business and ethical considerations.
For ethical balance and government role, ethically, the industry must balance innovation versus access. Medicines are essential goods, not ordinary products. Government regulation plays a key role through patent laws, price regulation mechanisms, and subsidy programs that protects patients while still encouraging innovations. Without regulation, monopoly prices can restrict access and worsen inequality.
For strategic path forward, the case highlight three key solutions. Number one, tiered pricing, where wealthier markets pay more while developing countries receive lower prices. Number two, public-private partnership to share costs and expand access. Number three, ethical profitability, frameworks including transparent pricing and patient assistance program. This strategy shows that profit and social responsibility can coexist.
In conclusion, sustainable pharmaceutical innovation requires balanced ethical profitability, earning reasonable returns while prioritizing patient welfare, ensure long-term industry success, and equitable access to medicines. Profit and patient welfare are.
Wait lang guys. Ano, may nag-record ba ako ilang minutes? Parang kulang yata, no? Mga nasa 3 minutes lang yata yun sa atin.
Need po ba saktong 5 minutes mismo? Akala ko di lalakpas ng 5 minutes.
Okay lang. Oo, okay lang kahit hindi saksak.
Okay lang ba daw?
Mm. Huwag lang lalagpas.
Sige. Okay na guys. Isasama ko na lang tong ano natin. Hanggang dito. Sige guys. Bye na lang kayo. Okay na po.